how to dislike all posts on Instagram. So if you want to dislike all of your posts on Instagram, all you have to do is simply open up the Instagram app, and this is the kind of interface you will see. Go to your profile page, tap on the three lines option from the top right, and simply go to your activity. Then under interactions, select the option called likes. You will see all the posts, photos, videos, reels that you have liked on Instagram so far. To unlike it, tap on the select option from the top right hand side to multiple select everything that you want to unlike. So once you've multiple selected them, you simply need to tap on the unlike option from the bottom of the screen in order to unlike it. This way you can dislike all the posts on Instagram. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.